Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone, it looks like she's in the shop for a cut refresh maybe. Oh, so the stylist goes much shorter with more of like a bob. Bangs in the front. Look at those bangs. So he's kind of doing like a French girl style bob here. This was trending last year. We saw it quite frequently, and it looks like 2024 is no different. Oh, this is so cute. Such a gorgeous haircut. So here we have someone. It's like the stylist big chop the hair into this beautiful volumized pixie bob style. Wow. It looks like we have another gorgeous bob makeover here. Doing more of like a mini bob with this one. Ooh, oh, this is absolutely stunning. Such a cute style. So here we have someone at the salon for a cut refresh, maybe a bit of color. Oh, she's going really short. Okay, this is way more than a cut refresh. She's getting more of a pixie style here. Wow, so cute. And she didn't actually color the hair. She kept her grays, but it looks amazing. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with a shoulder length hair. And it looks like she got a nice bob cut refresh here. Nice, simple, and chic traditional bob style. She has a lot of volume with that cut. It's beautiful. So here we have a wash and go bob. Oh, a beautiful mini bob here. Followed by another bob with bangs. Another gorgeous layered hairstyle. And another beautiful French girl style bob with the baby bangs. Very cute. And then of course we have a layered hairstyle. Perfect for adding volume. Another layered variation. Followed by another gorgeous bob style. So here we have someone that decided to go shorter with a pixie cut. Nice little shaggy pixie cut here. We're seeing a lot of those this year as well. So we have someone getting some color here. Ooh, a nice layered bob style. Color looks great. Nice and subtle and chic. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas. If you haven't checked out part 1, definitely make sure that you check it out. And I will, of course, see you in the next video.